Hello friends, so in this video today we will discuss simplification. We will go ahead of algebra few steps. Already we have discussed in the past videos fundamental concepts of algebra and the coefficients, polynomials, etc. And in the next video we have discussed the operations, means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In this video we will go for simplification of algebraic expressions and bracket uses in the algebraic expressions and their simplification. So let's, without wasting time, start. So first question, simplification, and I will do with very simple example first. It is x by 2 plus x by 3. How to simplify that? Let's see. So here 2 is the denominator and 3 is the denominator. Like normal numbers, fractional numbers, what did you do there? The denominators are there, you are finding the LCM. Here also same thing you will do. These are the denominators. Let us find the LCM of the denominators. 2 and 3 LCM is 6. So LCM you write. Then same step as you were doing in normal fractional addition and subtraction, same thing you will do here. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 into x is 3x plus 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 into x is 2x. Now what we will do? This 3x plus 2x are the like terms, so they will be added. So 3 plus 2 is 5 and x divided by 6. Now this is simplified. Very simple question is being simplified now. Now we will go for another question. Gradually we will go for the difficulty levels. This is question number 1. Question number 2. A by 2 we can take minus a minus 5 by 5 I will take plus a. Now here same simplification I will do. You will check the denominators. Here the denominator is 2, here the denominator is 5, here no denominator is there, means the denominator is 1, right? So you don't need to write the denominator 1, but denominator 1 is there. Now I will find the LCM of the denominator. Same steps as in the fractions. 2, 5 and 1, LCM will be how much? 1, okay, no need to worry for. 2 and 5 LCM will be, they are the co-prime numbers. 2 and 5 are co-prime numbers. There is no common factor between them, isn't it? So 2 and 5 if you multiply you can find the LCM. So 10 is the LCM. It is 10. Now same steps. 10 by 2 is 5. 5 into a, 5a, minus 10 by 5. The denominator, the LCM is divided by the denominator. Whatever quotient is remaining, that will be multiplied with the numerator, right? So the formula is LCM divided by denominator into the numerator. This is the formula. Whatever the result you are writing, the result will be written here, the final result. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 into a minus 5. I did not multiply directly here because two numbers are there here, two terms are there. So I could multiply directly, but I did not, because let us do one more step for our confirmation so that error will not be there. Once you are perfect in simplifying, you can do directly, no issues. Plus, this is plus mark is the minus mark is there given. 10 by 5 is 2 written into this one. I told LCM by denominator into the numerator. Plus mark is there given. 10 by 1 is 10 only. So a, 10a. Now this will be simplified, right? The bracket step. So 5a minus, this is minus 2 into a. In the multiplication we have read monomial into binomial. 2 into a is 2a, but minus mark is there. Put the minus mark. First multiply the symbols first. Then you multiply for the numbers. So minus plus minus 2 into a is 2a. Minus minus plus 2 into 5 is 10. Right? Then plus mark is there. 10a it is written. Now whole divided by 10 is there already, is equal to the like terms are arranged now. 5a is there, 2a is there, here 10a is there. So let us make them together. So 5a minus 2a plus 10a. Plus 10, simple number, is kept aside, divided by 10. Now is equal to, I'll erase this. So is equal to, so 5a minus 2a will be how much? 3a. 3a plus 10a is 13a, right? Or you can do 5 plus 10, 15a, minus 2a, 13a. Any way you can do it. Plus 10 divided by 10. This will be the final answer. This will be the final answer. Or you may do like this also, 13a by 10, but this need not do actually. This need not be done. 13a by 10 plus 1. 13a plus 10 by 1 you can write. So not needed actually. This is the final answer simplified. Okay. So this is the way we are doing. We are finding the LCM of the denominators. Then we are going for the simple step, LCM divided by the denominator into the numerator, and whatever is there we are writing and we are simplifying. Let us go for the third example where I will use the rule, you can say, that is Bodmas rule, popularly known as Bodmas rule or PEMDAS rule. So it is Bodmas bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So this rule I have written here, accordingly we will do one by one. So 4x, and before going for that I will tell you the different brackets. So first is, this is bar bracket, or it is known as vinculum. And now this is curly bracket, and now this is circular bracket, or you can parenthesis, simple bracket. Then now this is square bracket. So in this form of bracket, the sequence of bracket work is, so you will, I am writing here, first if bar bracket is there, you will solve first bar bracket, then this one, then curly bracket, then square bracket. So this is the sequence. I have written this brackets in sequence. Then if off is there anywhere, we will solve that, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. Okay, so let us start. So example, so first one is 4x minus 2y minus curly bracket start 2x plus x minus y minus x, then circular bracket, then the bracket has been finished. Now we need to simplify this one. So how will simplify this one? Let us see. So you see, so according to here brackets are there, right? So which bracket to solve first? Bar bracket is there, no bar bracket is there, because B for bracket we will start from bracket work. So here simple bracket or circular bracket is there. You see second position, this is first, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. This is the sequence. So first is this one. So this one we will solve. I am writing here 1. We will solve this one first. This is okay. So now 4x minus 2y minus 2x, this will be solved. So x minus x is how much? Plus x minus x cancel, or you can write 0 also. Plus, if you open this bracket now, minus y is being there, isn't it? So this is minus y. This bracket is open, right? Now this curly bracket ends. Here square bracket ends. This circular bracket work is over. I have written step 1 here so that you can know. Then which bracket should come? Curly bracket work will be done. Curly bracket work. So this is the curly bracket. This is number 2. This will be solved. Is equal to 4x minus 2y minus, if you solve this, listen here, no, this 2x and y are not like terms. They are unlike terms. So this cannot be solved actually. So what you will do here, you just open the bracket. If you open the bracket, if minus mark is there in front of the bracket, then the numbers inside the bracket, their symbols will be changed. Let us see how. See, Here outside the bracket plus mark was there, so this plus and minus makes minus here, plus minus minus, or you can say the number inside the bracket will have no symbol change. The symbol will not be changed of this number. Minus y becomes minus y only. Here what we will say, minus 2x, then minus minus plus y, minus minus plus y, because whenever minus mark is there, so the symbols will be changed. If plus, then it will be minus. If minus, then it will be plus. So hope you clearly understood this. Next, this curly bracket work is over. Now square bracket has been given. Now after the circular bracket, curly bracket work over, then circular bracket we will do. So circular bracket, I will write step 3 like this, step 3, and I will do here, please. So we can do here also, no issues. So 4x inside the bracket, when we are going to solve that, let us find any like terms are there. Yes, 2y and y are the like terms. So 2y plus y is there, so it is 3y, right? So 4x minus, first I will solve that, 2y plus y is 3y and minus 2x is already there. So this square bracket simplified now. This part is simplified. After simplification, can we do more simplification inside this? No, because they are unlike terms now. We cannot add or we cannot subtract, isn't it? So what we'll do here, this is step 4. Now we'll open the bracket. After simplifying, when you see the bracket, you see what can be solved inside. After solving this, you open the bracket. Here also after solving this, you have opened the bracket, because there is no solution is there to be done. So we have directly opened the bracket. Here solution could be done. So bracket we have solved, and then we are opening the bracket. Here I am opening the bracket here, you see. So if you open the bracket, I told you, if plus mark will be there, then there will be no symbol change. But if minus mark will be there, then there will be symbol change. So now symbol change will be there. So minus 4x will be there as such, minus this 3y will be minus plus minus 3y, then minus minus plus 2x is equal to, now 4x plus 2x like terms, they can be added. So it is 6x and minus 3y. This is the final answer, and you cannot do anything more here. So this is the final answer you have got. So understood, dear students? So the next question we will solve here. The question is ready here. We will solve here. I have given bar bracket also, that is vinculum, and we will solve. Again, according to the sequence of the brackets, bar bracket will be solved first, then the circular bracket, then the curly bracket, and then the square bracket. And after bracket, if off is there, it will be solved. Then Bodmas, that is division, will be solved. Then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. In this sequence it will be done. So let us start from the bar bracket. So this will be the step 1 I have written. This is step 1. When I am writing steps like this, you don't need to write in your answer sheet. This will be for your convenience and reference. I am writing, no issues. So now 5a minus, up to that one, this one only we will solve, remaining we will left as such. So 6a, then 9a minus 10a, and now this is minus, given minus, only this one will be solved. Only this one, 4a minus 3a, are they like terms or unlike terms? If they are like terms, then you solve and open the bracket. You can solve and open the bracket at a time also, no issues, or you can, in the next step you can do that for avoiding the error. Now these are like terms. If unlike terms are there, just open the bracket, no issues. And 4a minus 3a means only a, right? So it is only a. So it is only a, and minus mark is there. Now bracket is there, given, curly bracket ends, square bracket ends, is equal to. Now which one will go for after bar bracket? Circular bracket. This is the circular, this is step 2, right? So 5a minus 6a minus 9a minus, up to this I did. Now what I will do here, 10a minus a is 9a, solve, open the bracket, solve and open the bracket. 10a minus a is 9a, and minus mark is there, so minus 9a. Done. curly bracket ends, square bracket ends. Then after circular brackets we will go for curly brackets. Now this is step number 3. Step number 3 is equal to 5a minus, this is 6a, and 9a minus 9a will be 0, isn't it? So it is minus 0. So minus 0 we don't write because the answer will be same, isn't it? So you need not write minus 0. So this will be 6a only. Easy now? Now very simple, square bracket, there is nothing to solve inside the square bracket, and simply you open the bracket and write this is 5a minus 6a. What will be the answer? Minus a, because 6a minus 5a, 6a is the bigger number, 5a is the smaller number, so answer should be a, but here 5a minus 6a, 5a is smaller, 6a is bigger, so minus a. This is the answer. Finish. So this is the way. If you write the steps 1, 2, 3, 4 step, answer finish. So this is a simple example of all the brackets being involved here. I will do another example for you, dear students. So our next question is ready here. In this question, all types of brackets are there: bar bracket, curly bracket, and the vinculum, the normal bracket is there, circular bracket, square bracket is there. But here the difference from the previous question is, there under the bar bracket, like terms were there and you solved, then you open the bracket. Here unlike terms are there. Here 2y is there, here 2x is there, so they cannot be added, cannot be subtracted, only you open the bracket. So this will be the step 1 is equal to, so 8x simply written, 4y written, 4x plus, up to this you will write, go on writing. Now what we will do, the bar bracket will be opened and under the bar bracket 2y is there. This minus mark is not inside the bracket. Please do remember, under the bar bracket, you see the bar bracket, you see my hands. So it is 2y minus 2x is there. So 2y is 2y only. But before the bar bracket minus mark is there, and before the bracket if minus is there, you will change the symbols of the numbers in the bracket. The bracket, the numbers are there inside the bracket. If you open the bracket, the symbols will be changed if minus mark is there. So it will be minus 2y, and minus symbol will be changed, that is plus 2x, and bar bracket work is over. Now curly bracket, then square bracket, finish. Now what we will do, you will come to circular bracket. This is step 2, right? Is equal to 8x minus 4y. Up to that you will write, so 4x plus. You see, now you solve this. What I told, the bracket that you are expanding or the bracket that you are opening, you solve that and then open the bracket. So let us solve this. Step 2, right? So inside 2x and 2x are like terms, so that is 4x, and minus 2y is there, and bracket is there. In the next step I will open the bracket. After solving, I told solve, choose the bracket which one to be opened, solve inside the bracket, final answer you open the bracket. If plus mark is there, no symbol change. If minus mark is there, symbol change will be there of the numbers. Is equal to, now this one I will solve. I told step 2 is going on, 8x minus 4y, and this is 4x. Now if you open the bracket, as plus mark is there, so no change, that is 4x, and this is minus 2y, and curly bracket ends. Now curly bracket work starts. In the curly bracket, this is step 3. Now again you will solve this. 4x plus 4x is 8x minus 2y. So 8x minus 4y minus, this is 4x plus 4x is 8x and minus 2y. Then square bracket ends. Now what we'll do, this bracket will be opened here because curly bracket work is being solved now. After solution, you will open the bracket. In front of the bracket, minus mark is there, so symbol change will be there. Is equal to, I'll write here, is equal to 8x is 8x minus, this is 4y, done, square bracket. But here minus mark is there, so this is 8x, it will be minus 8x, and this will be 4y is under square bracket, right? So just a minute. So this is minus 4y minus 8x, and this is minus and minus plus 2y. Plus 2y is equal to, so is equal to 8x Now what we will do here, if like terms are there, then solve 4y plus 2y, that is 6y. 8x minus 6y minus 8x. Square bracket solution has been done. After square bracket solution is done, then open the square bracket. Same step, choose the bracket, solve it, open the bracket, choose the bracket, solve it, and open the bracket. So 8x minus 6y minus plus 8x. Now this 8x and this 8x will be 16x and this is 6y. Now this is the final, nothing to solve because 16x and 6y are, these are unlike terms, so nothing can be done. So in this way we have done 5 solutions of 5 different types of questions, simple to complex simplification. I hope you might have understood very well. If you have any doubt, you can send in the comment box. So stay tuned for the next best videos. Thanks a lot.